you join live streams every day? Is that like your daily ritual to join live streams?
Yeah, because it's sort of like we all on a pause. So I thought, why I wouldn't use this time, for my profit? Because
There's
I
a
love language and I'm learning it like 4 years. And, there is a certain steps in this process. Like first year, I was just listening, like children do, They just listening. They just like sponge. Then I read and write a lot, chatting with people, and speaking is the most difficult one skill. So there we go. It's amazing. I mean, this app, I can communicate with people around the whole globe, and I learn a lot, not only about language, but about culture, about people. I met a lot of people from different places, and it's awesome. I feel on fire, man.
It's rejuvenating, right?
Oh, that's a fancy word for me.
Well, you're here to learn, right? And I'm here to challenge you.
Okay.
Rejuvenating.
Sounds a little bit familiar, but in general, listening is my core. I mean, this is my thing. It's helped me a lot in the beginning because I was learning from the scratch by my own. I mean, I never didn't learn that in school, and in the beginning that was tough because you gotta reach the certain level when your comprehension allows you to understand, and when you get that, man, it's much easier. Like you start enjoying all those sitcoms, movies, music.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?